Good.
Hello, this is Dr. Saud Anwar. We actually want to show you how you can actually use one ventilator to actually give breathing capacity and help to not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but actually 7 people. And we can go up to 8 if we need to, but we wanted to show you at least with 7. And we've been working collaboratively together as a group of people who have from different backgrounds come together. I want to introduce you to Bob. Bob, tell me what you've been up to.
Hi, my name is Robert Connolly. I'm the owner of Interactive CAD Solutions. Less than 4 days ago, I got contacted by email if I could help out with coming up with a method of applying 4 hoses from one ventilator to 4 people. First thing I got was a hose from the anesthesiologist, and we did our first trials yesterday. Came out with mixed reviews. We had problems with the ventilators interfering. So I came back, I redesigned it yesterday morning. I sent the files to Kevin Dyer at Interpro Models. He 3D printed this CAD model overnight and supplied this morning. It's very simple. Has 4 filters with a coupling that goes directly to the ventilator. There's no issues with interference between the round filter or the square ones.
Good. So with this concept, what we've been able to do is this actually goes inside the inhalation as well as the exhalation part of the ventilator. And then these are the filters which can come together. This actually has 4 options. So the patient can we can have 4 connectors with one ventilator, and each connector can further be divided into 2 or more branches if we need to. Here we have Marvin. Marvin is a respiratory therapist, my star. You've seen him before do the good work. And what we have been able to do is a few things. I'll take this over here and I'll show you some of the things. So this is the inhalation part of the ventilator, and the ventilators we are using are the Puritan Bennett 840 ventilator system. And we actually have that same thing connected on the inhalation part. This is actually now, if you look, we have the 4 branches, and one of those we actually have put a TP